Candied walnuts, also known as canned nuts, combine the best of walnuts and the worst of candy, which will leave you feeling so conflicted, you'll wish you had just made a glass of water.
You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
You're going to need 1 cup of walnut pieces, a 1/3 cup of sugar, and some salt. We're going to start by pan toasting these bad boys in a non-stick skillet on medium heat for a few minutes. If you decide to use walnut halves like a hot shot, notice how they look like a sort of prehistoric butterfly. And ask yourself if they would have hatched and flown around if you hadn't been so selfish and ate them. Once those are lightly toasted, slide them onto a parchment papered pan to cool. Now you're going to take the sugar.
No!
Yes. Spread the sugar around on the floor to get into the winter spirit. Then grab another better 1/3 cup of sugar and put that into your freshly rinsed pan on medium heat. You'll notice it starts to melt really quickly, and that's because sugar is a liquid which at room temperature is ice. You're going to gently wang jangle that, breaking up the clumps until it's all melted. It's going to smoke a bit and you're going to resist the temptation to stop, drop, and roll. Instead, you're going to stay, stir, and that's it. Stay and stir. Once the sugar gets to this amber color, you're ready to add the walnuts, which you do by adding the walnuts. Now this is not the time to dawdle. Work quickly but safely. Don't miss the pan by a mile, and get them nicely coated. Move them to the parchment papered pan and use 2 forks to separate them. Or, this system and you can let them harden into one big candied walnut lolly roxicle. Don't worry about the fact that the caramel is hardening like cement on your wang jangler. That's why we have hammers. Now work quickly, that sugar is turning back into ice and there's no time to spare. Now sprinkle on some salt, then it's crucial that you A, wash your windows, gross, and B, let the nuts harden under diffused winter sunlight rather than that fake light from modern bulbs that's made of chemical beams. If you're going to give these as a holiday gift, make a nice label and give the walnuts a ride on the Parchment Paper Express. Okay, so now I have 2 messes to clean up. That's alright, I've got my trusty high-power vacuum here, which has gotten me through more than one difficult situation in the past. Pimblocto?
Pimblocto, you're my best friend.
You're gonna have to find a new place to live, Pimblocto.
I'm so cold. I want to go.
Pimblocto? Have a good sleep, buddy. We had a good run. Holy frig. You gotta be kidding me. Where are you, buddy? Pimblocto, I can see you. I still see you. It doesn't matter now since I know where you are, so you can just relax if you want. So you've been awake for a while now and you've been sneaking into the house?
Yes.
Is it kind of like you still wanted to hang out, but you didn't know what to say?
Yes.
Wow, Pimblocto, that's really touching. Also, that's definitely trespassing. I did tell you can't stay here.
Oh, but you brought me back.
That's true. I felt guilty for like a second, but I honestly never thought you'd wake up, break into my house, creep around.
I just wanted to...
Look, I can take my share of the responsibility, like 5-6%, but just so we're 100% clear, here, let me write it down. You can't be here. Oh, how about a Venn diagram? This is you, this is here. See how they don't intersect at all? That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, I know, let's fill in the blanks. You blank be here. Can't. Exactly. Good. Now, on a positive note, let's write out a comprehensive list of all the places you can be. Not here. That's it. It's the whole list. Very simple, easy to remember. Oh, how about your language? You can't be here. Oh, wait, what about math? You plus here equals... It just doesn't work. Oh, Pimblocto, don't be sad. You're focusing on the negative, buddy. Come on, let me show you. You can be here. You can be here. You can be here. You could be here. Don't you see what I've been trying to tell you, Pimblocto? There's so many places you can be.
I think I understand. I can be here. I can be here. I can be here. I can be anywhere.
Except here. This is the one place you cannot be. Here, keep it. It'll help you remember next time. See ya.
My feet look like wang janglers. Hello. Come. Oh, I know what to do.
How the... Clever girl.
Goodbye, friend.
See ya.